Add and subtract radicals. So adding and subtracting is like counting. We count the same terms and we keep the term. So when we add boys and boys, we get more boys. This same concept translates to radicals. We need like radicals. So we have 9 radical 7 plus 8 radical 7 plus radical 5. These first two terms both have a radical 7. So I can add those together. 9 of these things plus 8 of these things give me 17 of these things. So 17 radical 7 plus radical 5. I cannot add radical 7 and radical 5 because they are not the same. So my answer is left like that. So here's another example. Add and subtract radicals. 4 radical 175 plus radical 28. So there is no like term here. So I guess you're done. No, it's not that easy. So what you do is you can simplify radicals into smaller numerical values in order to find like terms. So sometimes they're hiding. So again, adding and subtracting, you need the same terms. So we're going to try to simplify these square roots into smaller pieces, and maybe, hint hint, wink wink, probably, there will be a like term here that we can combine. So the square root of 175, I can break down into 25 times 7. So the square root of 25 times the square root of 7. The square root of 25 is 5. So I have 4 times 5 times radical 7. 4 times 5 is 20. So that first radical expression simplifies into 20 radical 7. And the second one, square root of 28, we can break that up into square root of 4 times the square root of 7. Square root of 4, that's a perfect square. That's 2 radical 7. So we get 20 radical 7 plus 2 radical 7. And how lucky are we? These are like terms. They both have radical 7s. So 20 of those plus 2 of those give me 22 of those. So the answer is 22 radical 7.